Hi, my online students. Hope you're all well. Today, our grammar lesson is about dictionary. We took dictionary last year in grade 1, and we learned towards the end of the year while we were working online. Okay, so a dictionary is a book that tells you the meaning or the definition of words. Okay, again, what is a dictionary? A dictionary is a book that tells you what words mean. Okay, so again, what is a dictionary? It's a book. How is this book different from any other book? This book has many words and it tells you what each word means. Okay, the words the dictionary tells about are called entry words. All right, and all the entry words are in ABC order. What does that mean? Okay, so again, a dictionary is a book that tells you what words mean. Here on page 24, we have one dictionary page, okay, and it has the meaning of words. Okay, so the words that we will know the meaning of are called entry words, and the entry words are listed in ABC order. Okay, so let's look at the parts of a dictionary page. Okay. Here we have a dictionary page. On top we have two words in black. School, and then we have like a symbol, and then we have store. Okay, the words in black are called guide words. What are guide words? Guide words are the first word and the last word on the page. Again, guide words are the first word and the last word on the page. Okay, so, and here we have entry words. What are entry words? Entry words are the words that you'll know the meanings of. How many entry words do we have here? First, we have school, we have seed, we have sharp, and we have speak. Okay? Okay. Again, on the top of the page, we have two words on top. What are those two words? They are guide words. What does that mean? It tells you or guides you that school will be the first word or the first entry word, and store will be the last word or the last entry word that you'll know the meaning of. Okay? Okay, what are entry words? Entry words are the words that are listed in order, and you will know the meaning. Okay? Okay, if I go here and see the word school, what will come after school? The meaning or the definition. Okay, after the word, you'll find a sentence that tells you what this word means. Okay, if I read school, a place for teaching and learning. School, a place for teaching and learning. This is the meaning or the definition of the word school. Okay, after the definition or meaning, you have another sentence. This is called sample sentence. The sample sentence it shows you how to use the entry word in a sentence. So, for example, the first entry word is school. That means the sentence will show you how to use the word school in the sentence. Okay, again, children go to school to learn. This is the sample sentence. All right? So, what do we have in a dictionary page? The first two words, the two words on top, they are called guide words. Guide words are the two words that shows you the first word and the last word on the page. Okay. What the words that are listed below each other, they are entry words. These are the words that you will read the meaning of. Okay, after the word entry word, you'll find the meaning or the definition. Okay, after the definition, you'll find the sample sentence. The sample sentence is the sentence that shows you how to use this word. It shows you how to use this word in a sentence, all right? Okay, for example, the second entry word is seed. Part of a plant from which a flower, vegetable, or other plants grow. So after this entry word, we have the definition or the meaning. And then after that, we planted seeds in the garden. This is the sample sentence. So if I say guide words, where are the guide words? They are on top, school and store. Okay, if I say how many entry words does this page show you? We have 1, school, 2, seed, 3, sharp, 4, speak. All right. Okay, if I say what is the meaning of speak? I go to the word speak and I read the sentence after. Speak means say words or talk. Okay, how can I use the word speak in a sentence? The sample sentence is, please speak to me. Okay, again, what is a dictionary? A dictionary is a book that tells you the meaning of words. Okay, does the dictionary have parts? Yes. On a dictionary page, you'll find 4 things. The guide words, the entry words that you'll read the meanings of, and after the entry words, you'll find the meaning or the definition of the words, and then after the meaning, you'll find the sample sentence. Okay, we will use this page to answer the questions on page 25. Let's go to page 25. Okay, this is the same dictionary page. Okay, let's answer number 1 together. Name 2 guide words on the page. Name the 2 guide words on the page. What are the guide words? It says guide words on top here. Okay, remember that the guide words are always on top. What are the 2 guide words on this page? School and store. So I will go here and I will write school and store. Okay, question number 2. Which guide words show the first word? Okay, which guide word shows the first word? The guide word on the left. So the guide word on the left shows you the first word. So the first word on the page, as you see here, is school. So the first guide word is on the left. So here we will write school. School is the first guide word. Okay? Which guide word shows the last? Okay, we go to the guide words. If this is the first, then that means this will be the last. So store is the last entry word on the page. Okay? Again, where will you find the guide words? On the top of the dictionary page. Every dictionary page has 2 guide words on top. The one on the left is the first word, and the one on the right is the last word, or the last entry word on the page. All right. Okay. Question number 4. What does the word school mean? Let's go to school and read the sentence after it, because the sentence that comes after the entry word is the meaning. It says, a place for teaching and learning. So the meaning of school is a place for teaching and learning. Okay, that is the meaning of the word school. Okay, it said number 5. Which word comes after seed? Which word comes after the word seed? Okay, here we have the entry words, school, seed. After it means the next word. The next word will be sharp. So the next word will be sharp. Okay? Let's answer question B. Okay. We have some words in the box, and we use these words to complete the sentences. Let's read the words in the box first. Dictionary. Dictionary is a book that tells you the meanings of words. Guide words. The guide words are the two words on top of a dictionary page that tells you the first word and the last word. Sample sentence. Sample sentence. The word sample sentence means how to use this entry word in a sentence. Okay, it gives you a sentence to show you how we can use this word in a sentence. Entry words. Entry words are the words listed below in each other, and you'll know that after each word you'll find the meaning or the definition of the word. Okay, the entry words are listed in ABC order. An ABC order means they are in ABCs. They are arranged according to the ABCs. Okay, let's read sentence number 6. The blank tells the meaning of many words. The blank tells the meaning of many words. What tells us the meaning of words? Dictionary, guide words, sample sentence, entry words, or ABC order. Which of the following tells us the meaning of words? The answer would be dictionary. The dictionary is a book that tells us the meaning of words. Okay? Number 7. The dictionary gives meanings for... The dictionary gives us the meaning for guide words, sample sentence, entry words, or ABC order. The answer would be entry words. The entry words are the words that are listed below each other, and we will know the meaning of each word. So entry words, dictionary gives us the meaning of the entry words. Okay? And I hope you guys remember from last year. Okay, the entry words are listed in, okay, when we open a dictionary and we want to find the definition of the words, how will we know where to find them? Because we know that the entry words are listed in ABC order. Okay? So, if I want to look for we know that the words are listed in ABC order. So, if I want to look for the word peanut, I go ABC. I look in order of the ABC and I find it in the P. Okay? I want to look for the meaning of whale. I go in ABC order through the dictionary until I find the word the letters that begin with W. Okay? So entry words are listed in ABC order. Again, dictionary gives us the meaning of the entry words, and the entry words are listed or put in ABC order. Okay, the first blank tells the first entry word. Okay, the first guide word tells us the first entry word. How do we know which word will be the first word? From the guide word. The blank shows how to use the entry word. The blank shows how to use the entry word. Okay, the sample sentence. The sample sentence shows us how to use this word in a sentence. So the sample, Okay, the sample sentence shows you how we will use this word in a sentence. Okay? Okay, before you go to the language to the language arts practice book, I want you to go back to this page 24, and read the important points. What is a dictionary? A book that tells what the word mean, the parts of a dictionary page, the guide words, the entry words, the meanings that come after the entry words. What is the sample sentence? To make sure you understand. And remember that the entry words are listed in ABC order. Okay? Thank you.